Every now and then, there's a stressful time at the studio, whether it be because of a client I'm dealing with or a project that's happening, or I always try to manage expectations and please everybody as best as I can, but that doesn't mean it doesn't have a mental toll on myself. And there's a note I wrote down here, which I think I'm going to look at every single time I'm stressed out. And I wanted to share it with you guys because I know you're here on the channel because you're just as passionate about mixing and mastering as I am. And I think this note is something that is super strong and powerful. Even though this situation has happened before, I now feel calm. It makes me think things that happen to us, adversities, are like a wave coming and approaching. We can read the tides and dive under them, ride it to shore, but even when they hit us and they hit us hard, it's only for a brief moment. The same way when we wipe out and are being rolled around, we need to hold our composure, our breath, and know that space will be coming to come up for air. Get on our board and get ready for the next wave. If we choose to stress ourselves out, our adrenaline spikes, we burn oxygen and weaken ourselves for the next swell. Always stay calm. This is something I wrote in my journal because I thought that was what I was experiencing on the day. I think I dealt with the situation in some aspects really well, and in other aspects it affected me negatively in terms of my productivity around that situation because I was ruminating a lot. But this encompasses an old adage, and I think it was Benjamin Franklin or Thomas Jefferson, one of those presidents used it before their election speech, and it's the adage, "This too shall pass." And by that, it means that everything is always in momentum, things will come resolute, you just have to wait and be patient, and if something feels stressful, it's not always going to be that way. I'm sharing that with you guys because in mixing projects, that isn't a constant. The stress that you share on a particular project or with a particular engagement or dealing with a particular person isn't going to be a constant throughout your life. And even though it might be intermittently a high stress factor, you can't let it control everything else around you. Now, I'm saying you, the royal you, as in we, because I'm somebody who experiences that, and I'm sort of using this as a tool to navigate this conversation with you. So that's something I thought would be healthy to share. I think I love the energy and the positivity I'm able to put out in my videos where I'm taking you through techniques, and tomorrow you'll get another video from me going through some really cool stuff. But in the background, these things happen, and these things we need to address as a community and share with one another. So that's from me to you. I hope you guys enjoy it, and until next time, take care.